What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I will be showing you how to turn the edge panel on and off 3 different ways. The edge panel is really useful if there is a particular thing you use your phone for very often. For example, you can make it apps you use often, the weather, stocks, contacts, and much more. It can also be used no matter what app you are already in. So to turn it on and off, you are going to go to the settings, display, scroll down to edge screen, and then toggle edge panels. For the second method, if you go back to the original settings screen, you can just click this search icon and then type edge panel. And as you can see, it shows up right here. So if I click on that, the same screen comes up as the last method. And for the final method, if you are on the home screen and you swipe upward, you'll see there's another search bar right here, and you can do the same thing. Just type edge panel and hit search. And now you can see it popped up right here under the settings heading. So if I click that, again, it brings you to that original screen. I show all 3 methods because I just know some people like to know where exactly everything is in the settings, or they just have different preferences. And now you can see that the edge panel is activated. In my case, I have the Apps Edge customization turned on. If you get tired of it or you just don't want it anymore, go back to the settings the same way I showed and toggle it off. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.